Welcome to our lesson about terms of touch football. Touch football is the most popular sport in Aotearoa, New Zealand, having more participants than any other sport in the country. Here are some Māori terms used to describe the game of pā whutupōro, or touch football. The first term is tap-off, which is how we start the game. Whanaiti is our kupu, which literally translates to small kick. Yup, a lot of Māori words are quite literal. The word for touch is pā. So, after a whanaiti, the tap-off, the first objective of the defensive team is to pā or touch the person with the ball. Once an attacking player has been touched, they have to pirori or roll the ball. A dummy half picks it up and they're called the tūtei because they can't score or be touched with the ball. If they are touched, they have to tuku or hand possession over to the attacking team. Like rugby, maka is to pass, whiu is to throw, and to score a touchdown is to whai piro. Like rugby, you can't stand offside, which is tū hapa. If you do, you get a hāmene, or penalty. I sometimes get tired, so I have to tāpui, or sub. That's when I need to go to the pouaka whakahirihiri, or sub box, to whakatā, rest. I hope you enjoyed learning kupu about pā whutupōro, touch football.